how to download TikTok video without watermark. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our TikTok app right here and then just look for the video that you want to download. Now, let's say, for example, that you want to download this video right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just click the share button, which is right here. So click that and then click copy link. So once you've copied the link of the video, the next thing that we need to do is to open our browser. And then once we are now on our browser, just search for SnapTech. And then on this part, just paste the video that we have just copied and then click download. Now, once you click download, as you can see, it is right here. After that, just click download again and then click download. Now, as you can see, it is now starting to download. And then if we look right here, as you can see, we now have downloaded a TikTok video. So that is basically it. Once again, that is how to download TikTok video without watermark.